Hi, it's Dr. Jock here with Basil, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Skullcrusher from How to Train Your Dragon 2 and Belch and Barf from How to Train Your Dragon 2. So I'll start with Belch and Barf. So that's what it looks like in the box. And then there's the side of the box. And then the back, he has a rolling flame attack. Here's some of the other dragons you can get. And there's the other side. And the front again. And I'll be back once I've got him out of the box. So here he is out of the box. And to get him to collapse down, you just press this button here. It allows the wings to be more flappable. His head will sit up there, and these are bendable to an extent. And then his feature is if you roll him back up like that, and then lift his feet up. And then on the bottom there is a switch, which if you press, he should light up when he rolls over. So what you need to do is just sort of roll him, and one of the heads should light up. Now I don't know if both of them are supposed to light up or just the one, but only one lights up on mine, so I don't know. But since the it's not something you can test in store, you have to wait until you get home. So, who knows. So we'll just roll it. So what happens is when his head gets to a certain degree, his light will come on. And then go off when it reaches there again. So that was Barf and Belch, and now I'll move on to Skullcrusher. So here he is in his box, and then the side, and then the back, and he has a battering ram attack. And as before, there are the other dragons you can get. I do apologise for the lighting, it's quite dull outside. There's the other side, and then the front again. And I'll be back once I've got him out of the box. So here's Skullcrusher out of his box. He has articulation in his wings, he can move down. He's wearing a nice saddle. And what he does is, you get this projectile, and you just put it in his mouth. He's going to move back a bit and then move back forward, but that is stuck in there. And what you do to eject that is just move his wings up so it doesn't focus on too much on the wings. You pull his tail, and his tail is attached to his head, so it will pull his head back and launch the missile. So pull that back, and there goes the missile. So yeah, that was my unboxing of Skullcrusher and Belch and Barf from How to Train Your Dragon 2. Thanks for watching. Bye!